How to cancel your Talabat Pro subscription. Now, if you take a look inside in the app and in the help section, you should already be able to see how to do this. Now, you could read that yourself by going to the Talabat Pro subscription section and then take a look at how you cancel it, but we can still show you directly where to find it just in case you're still having a hard time. So as you can see, it's in the account and then Talabat Pro. Scroll down and you'll see the cancel subscription. Now for our account, we don't really have the subscription right now since our payment method doesn't really work, but we can still find it directly. So go ahead, log into your account with the subscription you want to cancel. Go to the bottom right and you'll be able to see the Talabat Pro right below the vouchers. So in this section, you're gonna have to scroll down and you would expectedly be able to find a cancel subscription over here. So this way, just go ahead and press on that, follow the rest of the prompts that will ask you to do, and eventually you should be able to cancel your Talabat Pro subscription. You gotta put in mind that you should do this somewhat around 24 hours before the renewal to avoid any other sort of fee, but that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.